Introducing the Smarda Lancaster electric scooter, the ultimate ride for adventure seekers and urban commuters alike. With a powerful 3000W 5000W motor and a voltage of 72V, this scooter delivers unparalleled performance and speed. And guess what? It comes with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, so you can groove to your favorite tunes while on the go. Say goodbye to range anxiety with a staggering 140-280 kilometers range per charge. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, the Lancaster scooter has got you covered. Safety is our top priority. That's why the Lancaster scooter comes with customizable color options and meets stringent safety standards, ensuring a worry-free ride every time. At Smarda, quality is guaranteed. Every scooter undergoes rigorous inspection and testing before it reaches your doorstep. Don't miss out on the ride of a lifetime. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Click the link in the description to buy your Smarda Lancaster electric scooter today and experience the thrill of the open road.